Good evening dear viewers. Today we shall solve this problem, which is an algebraic problem. Here let ABC be such that a plus b plus c equal to 0 and L is equal to a square over 2a square plus bc plus b square over 2b square plus ca plus c square over 2c square plus ab is defined. What is the value of L? We have to find out the value of L. Now let us start. Here if relation is given, which is a plus b plus c equal to 0. Relation is given which is a plus b plus c equal to 0. And we have to find out the value of L. Expression L is equal to this. L is equal to a square over 2a square plus bc plus b square over 2b square plus ca plus c square over 2c square plus ab. This is. Now for our convenience we can put the value of bc, ca and ab in terms of abc, and also we can get the value, these values, that is BC, CA and AB from this relation. From this relation we can get the values of BC, CA and AB in terms of ABC. Now this relation is that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. We can multiply both sides by c. We can multiply both sides by c for finding out the value of BC. So we can multiply both sides by c. After multiplication we get AC plus BC plus c square is equal to 0. Here BC is equal to minus c square minus AC. For finding out the value of AB, we can multiply both sides by D. After multiplication we get AB plus b square plus bc is equal to 0, that is AB is equal to minus b square minus bc. This is. For finding out the value of AC, we can multiply both sides this relation by both sides of this relation by c. After multiplication we get AC plus BC plus c square is equal to 0, that is AC is equal to minus BC minus c square, minus BC minus c square. AC is equal to minus BC minus c square. Now we can put these values, that is values of BC, AB and AC in this expression. In this expression we can put the value of BC, AB and AC in terms of ABC. So we get a square plus 2a square plus BC is equal to minus AC minus c square plus b square 2b square plus AC. AC is minus BC minus c square, minus BC minus c square plus 2c square plus AB. 2c square plus AB, we can put the values of AB. AB is this minus b square minus BC. So this is equal to 2c square plus AB. AB is equal to minus b square minus BC, minus BC minus b square. This is. Now we can factorize the denominators of these fractions. First fraction is a square over this, and the denominator is this 2a square minus AC minus c square. We can factorize the denominator, that is 2a square minus AC minus c square. The factorization is a square over 2a square minus 2ac plus ac minus c square. We can write the denominator, denominator of the second fraction as 2b square minus 2bc plus bc minus c square. We can also write the denominator of the third fraction, that is the denominator of third fraction can be written as 2c square minus 2bc plus bc minus b square. So towards our factorization, we can write 2a multiplied by a minus c plus c a minus c. This denominator can be written as 2b b minus c plus c b minus c plus c square over this denominator can be written as 2c square 2c multiplied by c minus b plus b c minus b. So this is equal to a square over 2a plus c a minus c. So denominator of the first fraction is factorized as this, that is 2a plus c multiplied by a minus c. Denominator of the second fraction also factorized as b square over 2b plus c b minus c. Also third can be written as c square over 2c plus b c minus b. Now we can write a square over 2a plus c can be written as a plus c plus b square over, this can be written as 2b plus c b minus c plus c square. This is also written as c plus b c minus b. Now we have a plus b plus c equal to 0. So a plus c is equal to minus b. So we can write minus b in place of a plus c from this relation, a plus b plus c equal to 0. So a minus b, a minus c. We can also write minus a in place of b plus c, because a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So b plus c is equal to minus a. So we can write minus a in place of b plus c from this relation, that is b minus a. B minus c plus c square. We can also write minus a in place of c plus b, because c plus b is equal to minus a. We have got from this relation. So c plus b is equal to minus a, that is c minus a, c minus b, c minus a, c minus b. So this is equal to a square over A minus B, A minus, we can write this as A minus B multiplied by C minus A, and also minus A square A minus B C minus A. This can be written as minus A square over A minus B over multiplied by C minus A. We can write this as in cyclic order of ABC. In ABC in cyclic order we can write, and for writing in cyclic order we can write this as minus A square over A minus B multiplied by C minus A. That is, second is also minus B square over A minus B multiplied by B minus C, and third can be written as minus C square over C minus A B minus C minus A multiplied by B minus C. Now we can sum up these three fractions. Also we can take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of denominator is A minus B. For summation we can take the LCM of the denominator, which is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. For the summation of these three fractions we can take the LCM, lowest common multiplier of denominator, that is LCM of denominator is this A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Now we can write minus A square multiplied by B minus C minus B square multiplied by C minus A minus C square multiplied by A minus B. This is equal to minus A square B plus A square C minus B square C plus B square A, and minus C square A plus C square B minus C square A plus C square B over this A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Again we can factorize the numerator of this fraction. Towards the factorization we can write minus A square B, that is we can write minus AB. From these two terms, from these two terms we can write minus AB multiplied by A minus B, minus AB multiplied by A minus B, and also from these two terms we can write C multiplied by A square minus B square, A square minus B square. From these two terms we can write C multiplied by A square minus B square, and from the last two terms we can write minus C square multiplied by A minus B, and also denominator is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, C minus A. So this is also from this expression we can write minus A minus B, that is A minus B multiplied by a minus b multiplied by minus ab, and this is a square minus b square, that is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. We can take a minus b as common factor of these three terms, and common factor is a minus b. We can take the common factor a minus b of these three terms, and so a minus b multiplied by minus ab, and this is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. We have already taken the common factor a minus b, so factor remaining a plus b, c multiplied by a plus b. C multiplied by a plus b means c multiplied by a plus b minus c square. We have taken the common factor a minus b from these three expression, three terms, and denominator is this a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here a minus b minus ab plus ac plus bc minus c square. This is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. This is also L, this is also L, this is the value of L. So L equal to this and L equal to this. So L equal to a minus b multiplied by this over the denominator, which is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here we can write a minus b minus a, b minus c, and plus c multiplied by b minus c. This is over a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. This is also a minus b, numerator is a minus b, b minus c multiplied by c minus a over a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Here numerator and denominator are the same, so we can write this as 1. These cancels out, these are cancelled out, a minus b are cancelled out, these are cancelled out, these are cancelled out, 1 1 1. So this is 1. Numerator and denominator are the same. So this is equal to 1. So value of L is equal to 1. We have got the value of L equal to 1.